In this video, I will show you how to add multiple videos on Instagram Reels. Now, in order for you to make Reels, this is the first thing to do. You just have to click on this plus button right here on the upper part, and then click on Reels. You just have to scroll down and look for your videos like this. And then you just have to click this button right here, the multiply button. Just have to click those two videos that you have, and then click on next. Now I just have to click on next again. And then as you can see, when we edit our video, you'll be able to see that those two videos that you have chosen are now one video combined. So you can add text to it if you want to. You can have a clip on it. You can add stickers if you want to. And then you can also voice over. You can also arrange it the way you want it to be, like this. And then you can drag the second video into being first. You can pretty much do anything you want to do, like you're editing it on a third-party app. So you just have to click on this button right here. And then now you can share the reel that you have. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!